Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hi Packy, say hi Packy. Say hello. Anyway, we're gonna go to some drive-thrus and order some food, let Packy talk to people. As you can see, I'm a pirate and I got my parrot. Is that funny, Packy? It's funny, huh? Anyway, all right, so happy Halloween. Let's go. Polly, want a cracker? Polly, want a cracker? Yeah?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, pretty bird. Woo woo. La 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 la. What do you?
Okay.
Hi. Hello. La 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 la. Yeah? I don't know if she likes my costume. She wants to like what? I don't really like it.
Hi, Pack.
She just poop on me?
No. It's just a stomach noise she makes.
You never know with this bird.
People are looking at our car. They're like, what?
Okay. All right, Packy. Hi. Can I get, let's see, a 10-piece nugget and a large fry?
Okay.
And then can I do, let's see, the tacos? Can I get like 6 tacos altogether?
Okay.
And let's see. I think that's it.
That's me, alright, so it's me talking.
Okay, thank you.
She's gonna poop. She's gonna poop. Don't poop. Okay. You just gotta. Hey. She keeps trying to poop.
It's hazards of having a bird.
Hey.
Is she gonna poop on me?
Yeah, she's trying to.
Oh, great. All right, you ready? It's our turn.
Hi there.
Hi.
It's gonna be a large 106 tacos. We cost only 6. That work, Eric?
Yes, it is.
Oh man, I thought that was like a really good.
That's my costume. You like it? Hi.
Oh, that's a real parrot.
Yeah.
I was fake until I saw him move.
Hi.
Any sauce?
Some ranch.
Some ranch?
Yes. What do you gotta say? Can you say Polly want a cracker?
Yeah, I'll wait till you guys, alright?
All right, thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, good boy.
Oh, good boy. Hello. All right, now we're off to McDonald's.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Now we're
Hello.
surprising everybody.
Yeah. La la la. La la la. Hello. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this food is hot. Making me sweat. Should we sing your favorite song? Marlene McCohen taught us this one. You sniff so good. Come on, Packy, why you sniff so good? Sometimes birds don't sniff like they should, but Packy, you sniff so good. She's like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
It's so weird when she looks you like straight in the eye like that. It's a very weird look.
Can I grab you?
Hi, can I get a large Coke, please?
Alright.
And that's it.
Folks will be 109, so see that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, here she comes. She wants to go on the other side. Okay. I think they said 109.
Yeah, 109.
You're in my hair. Forever?
Hi, Packy.
Hi, pretty bird. Hi.
Bounce up, bounce up, bounce up.
Bounce up, bounce up, bounce up. Good boy. By the way, people have been asking in the comments, they don't know if Packy's a girl or a boy. She is a girl. However, for the first like 29 years of her life, she was thought to be a boy. But once we got her, we DNA tested her and found out she's in fact a girl. So she likes to say, I'm a good boy. You'll see that in her other videos. She says it a lot. And we just say it because she says it, so. Are you a good boy? And it's 2021. You can identify with whatever pronoun you like. Right, Packy?
She hates men. She does not like men.
Oh, yeah. She's not a fan of the male gender at all. She prefers females. All right, here we go, Packy. No, you gotta stay up.
You get a large Coke?
Yes. What is it, 109? Okay.
Is that real?
That's a real bird, yeah. Can you say hi, Packy?
Damn. What the heck? Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Oh yeah,
That's it.
I'm going.
Thank you. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
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 Can you make him do that again?
Say bye-bye. We have a YouTube channel. We're filming for it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What's the YouTube?
Packy the Parrot.
Packy the Parrot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna subscribe.
Okay.
Did you just get the drink?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Have a good day. We'll go through it.
Thank you. All right, say bye-bye.